for Life because it's a great organization. It's fighting for a great cause. It's a wonderful way to support the community and all of the people involved.
Ruth, I'm Lily. This is my daughter. I'm a biblical counselor, and I'm all about the Lord and helping others. And we are all about helping fight against human trafficking.
Tracy, and I'm here because I love this ministry and how it's wanting to support women and help them get out of that life, but not just get out, but move forward and have a really full life afterwards.
I'm Cynthia Griffin, and I'm here because the needs of these women who have been trafficked are a lot of times forgotten. So this is a wonderful way to bring it to the forefront so that everyone knows in our community there is a need.
I'm Beth, and I support Lighthouse for Life because I want to see the end of sex trafficking.
I'm Chase. I work in law enforcement, and human trafficking is kind of the big reason that I got involved in it to begin with. So, huge issue, needs huge response.
Liz Brunson.
I'm Nathan Brunson.
Awesome, and why do y'all support Lighthouse for Life?
Go ahead.
You want me to do it? Because we don't like to see people taken advantage of. We want to support the ladies and probably guys too that may be getting taken advantage of, and people are being unkind, and we want to see them helped.
My name's Eileen Pikus, and I support Lighthouse for Life. I'm here tonight because I just want to add my light to everybody else's light.
My name is Kelsey, and I'm here supporting Lighthouse for Life because it's an organization I've been familiar with for years. We've really enjoyed supporting them on social media, and this is my first 5K ever. So it was a goal I had this year to run/walk a 5K, and I thought which race would be perfect, and this would be it.